Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is the new version of Microsoft Edge that was released today. We are Thursday, November the 19th, 2020, and it's the week of browsers actually, with Firefox and Chrome updated this week. So the stable version of Edge, if you want to make sure you have the latest version, go into the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots. Here you will go into the help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. If you're not there already, it's going to update you to 87.0.664.41, latest version of Edge. Now there's a commercial side to it this month. It's that if you're in a market where it's supported, I'm not, it doesn't show me anything, but if you go to a website and purchase stuff, there's a icon that's going to appear in the taskbar that's going to tell you that there are coupons available, or you can have it at a better price than another site. It's actually made for shopping for the holiday seasons. So if you're shopping for Christmas, maybe you want to take a look at it, as it's supposed to give you some details of what's to buy, where's the best price, and so on. And of course, every coupon available for a purchase. In the regular Edge, what's new in there is one very interesting feature. Now, we know we can do screen captures, and you can do a full screen capture using ScreenSnip, for example. But the problem is it doesn't always give you the all the space needed to give you a real capture of a web page. So when you actually go on a web page, the version 87 now gives you the ability to take a capture of a bigger part of a web page. So if you right click on the page you are, there's a feature called Web Capture. It has a shortcut which is Control-Shift-S. And here you have the ability to, for example, take this. So here we see what I do. But what's nice is, look at that. I can go down to a little more than just the top of the page. Now, it doesn't give me the ability to do a full page when the page is long like this one, but it gives me the ability to do bigger than just the screen size. And then I can click copy. It says copied. If I go, for example, let's say I'm going to use Word here, and I'm going to go in a blank document, and I want to have this here. I'll right click and I'll paste. And what do you have? You will have the page up to where you actually been able to go down to. Now, it's an advancement. I would like to have a better option. When I right click and go to web capture, I'd like to have an option that tells me, do you want to capture the full website? I think that would be fun, because right now it's limited to more than the screen, but not totally the full page. And that is sad, because I would like to see a full page capture. But at least it works, and it gives you a little more than just the page that you're in. Apart from that, a lot of bug fixes and security updates, so you might want to move on to this browser for that reason. And basically, we're moving forward. There are some PDF improvements a little bit in annotations. So if you do use Edge for PDF, the original Edge, a lot of people liked the PDF capabilities. And when they moved on to Chromium Edge, they missed out on some of the stuff that was in there. And a lot of people thought, well, you know what, there's some options missing that I had in the original Edge. Well, it's coming, so don't worry about it. When you actually are using Edge 87, you do have more information and more things that you can do. So you can draw, you can highlight certain areas of the page and so on. So depending on what you want to do, you just choose the text, highlight part of the text, for example, and stuff like that. It is nice because they're adding capabilities all the time. Yes, I know that it's still missing some of the options that were popular, but Microsoft says that they're going to work on making sure that the PDF reader is the best of all. So in the Canary and dev channel, we start having annotations, we start having different things that are still not here. So hang in there, it's getting better all the time. So check it out, upper right corner, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. Personally, I find that it's a very good browser. It's what I use all the time. So check it out. Version 87 is now on a line for you to get. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.